Another task that is very common is to customize the navigation bar of an application due to customer requirements or to add some specific functionality. Let's see how to do this. Let's suppose that in the page called Start Page, which is the one we have seen previously, we need to modify the visual appearance of the navigation bar. That is to say, this bar that we see at the top. And it is that for some reason we need to add a search bar. So, in the content page that we want to modify, we have access to a property called navigation page dot, and we have a property called title view, in which we are going to be able to add controls to modify the visual appearance of the navigation bar. It is possible to add layouts and controls. In my case, I'm going to add a frame element. I will specify a margin equal to 10, a padding equal to 0, a corner radius equal to 0, and inside the frame I will add a search bar with a placeholder equal to search places to give the user an idea of what to enter. With this simple change we've made, let's start running the application and look how we've customized the bar at the top to perform some kind of search. This is how we can customize the navigation bar. You can make it as complex as you want and give a better visual appearance to your applications.